Plant training often just requires the use of plant ties and trellis nets, as the plant ties can be used in multiple ways to help train a plant's growth pattern. You can tie down the main stem to create low-stress training, hold up a bent stem to support high-stress training, tie stems to stakes to help them stay upright, or just use them for miscellaneous tasks throughout your grow space. A trellis net takes the same principles as tying down your plant stems, but in a more uniform and automated approach by creating a set plant canopy height that all stems can be pushed under until the entire canopy is filled. And when the plant is allowed to grow above the trellis net, the netting can then double as a support structure to hold up the plant's weight.